how to edit a post on Instagram after posting it. If you want to edit a post on Instagram after posting it, what we have to do is just simply open up Instagram over here. And when we open up Instagram, we can tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. When we tap the profile icon from the bottom right, these are the options you will see. Yes, you can definitely edit Instagram post after posting it, but only to a certain degree. So you cannot change a whole lot of things, but you can still change about 70 to 80% of the stuff. So let's look what we can edit. First, navigate to the post, tap the three dots icon over there. Now, without even tapping on edit, you can see other options like you can share to Facebook, you can hide the like count, share count, you can turn off comment, or so on. Or you can go to edit, and what are the things you can edit? First of all, you can choose to delete some of the photos which are not necessary in this carousel post. But you cannot add another one, by the way. So you cannot add a whole new photo and change the content, but you can choose to delete some of these. You can tag people if you want to. So if you want to tag someone, you can tap on tag people. You can add an alternative text. You can also edit your captions. You can add collaborators. You can add paid partnership label. You can add a music, add a location as well. And that's about the maximum things that you can do in a certain post after you've already posted them. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.